Hi Gus. As per your request, I'm going to demo the custom properties and different options that are available in ITA for custom properties. You have requested to create a single custom property, uh, associate that custom property with multiple devices or with all devices. And once it's associated, you wanted to change the value for that custom property on all the devices or a set of devices if you want. And I will show you another option as well. So basically, if you look at any room that you have created, you have multiple possible view points for this, and one of them is a list view. The list view is usually used for uh, asset management, and most of the custom property work will be done here in the list view. And if you go to the properties of any one of your devices, you will notice it has an area under properties for custom properties that needs to be added. You can select one individual device. You can add individual custom property to that device if you want to, or you can choose one of the templates that I've created, and it has multiple data points, multiple custom properties, and all of them can be associated with that particular device. So what I would do is I would go ahead and create one custom property. And if you look at the list of custom properties that are already here, I'm going to go ahead create one called accounting information. So for you to understand. And once the accounting information is created, I don't want to add any value in here, but just add the custom property. So now, once this property is created, what I can do is I can apply that custom property to one or multiple devices simultaneously. Let's select a group of devices, and let's go to edit multiple items. And from the list, you can choose any custom property, and I will choose the accounting information, the one that we have just created. You mentioned to the possibility to import an Excel sheet. You probably won't need that at this point. If that's one single property, then you can actually add the data in here, and this data will be populated. Not only the custom property will be added to these devices, and the data will be populated into those custom properties as well. So if I click OK, you will notice that that column is added to the list view, and the data points that I have added to this is actually showing here. So if I right click on any one of the device, go to the properties, you notice that they have that particular custom property added with a value that was specified. Now you may have scenarios that you would like to use the custom properties even further with more details. So instead of creating one individual accounting information custom property, I'm going to create a template, and I will call it accounting department info. And once I have created this template, what I can do is I can actually choose different custom properties included inside this template. That information can be the accounting information or any other custom property, for example, serial numbers, owner names, operating system, or any other custom property that you have. You can include that into the template, and that template will contain the data for all these custom properties simultaneously. So now, when I select one or multiple devices in my list view, instead of adding or changing the value for one custom properties, I can go to custom property template, and I can choose account department info. Once I select that, I should be able to see the content of that entire template will be added to those devices that I have selected. Now, for testing purposes, if I go to the properties of one of these devices and take a look at the custom properties, that template of accounting information department, owner information, serial number, accounting information, operating system, all this is added as custom properties to that individual device. Now, if I wanted to modify any one of those data points across those devices, I can go to edit multiple items and I can choose those data points. And once I choose those data points, for example, one of them was owners, and if I change that, you will be able to see in the properties of individual device that one single entry is modified across all the devices that were selected. Hopefully this is satisfying the need that you have for this particular function. You should be able to use this tutorial. I will copy it into YouTube and I will send you the link. Thank you very much and you have a good day.